really right now. Mayayain ako guys. Ba't ko ginaya magtambay dito. So, yeah. In fairness, alam. May alam ka ba? Did you hear what I'm talking? Shouting. There's somebody. Like, you know? Or it's just coincidence that I see it. It's just my mind thinking of it. Like, alright. Alam ko talaga siya magtrabaho, guys. Really. Nalulungkot ako where oh my god, I don't have to be think of it in a way. So yeah, gusto ko sa Maynila. I can work in here because I need money for providing for myself and to help. Kasi yeah, wala namang yeah, either mag-asawa, magtrabaho, kung nasaan naman ako ngayon yeah, so sana magtrabaho ako para yung mga bilag ka walang mga bulok mga kang pumapangit na ako dito guys, ganyan silang mag-alaga. Ewan ko ba't ako nandito. So I think it's yeah, maluga. Oh my god. Alright. Yeah. Alright. You just have to wala lang akong pera. Ang galing. Oh my god. Ang pangit naman ang vlog ko. Tama na yun. Yeah, I need money. Because right now, I'm really having it. Oh, like, what are you guys doing? Tapos na ako sa inyo mag-isip. I'm done thinking. Oh my god. So, okay. Oh my god. I'm done thinking of it. And that's hard, huh? Yeah. It's hard thinking of it. Kaya talaga na. That's hard. Pangit ko ngayon na stress ako. Yeah. Pangit yan. Nakakaray. Nilolotion lang yan. Ano ba yung may vlog ko ngayon? Ayun. Yeah, it would really first time happen. Okay? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Oh my god. Yeah. Connected ako. Yeah, lahat ng trabaho ko dati guys. Connect to them. Never pa akong trabaho like in my own way, like walang connect pa. So yeah. Oh my god, it's scary. Actually I'm scared in a way. Para siyang scam, may mga ganyan pala. So yeah, so I don't know. No way. Ako gusto kong magtrabaho instead of yeah, staying in here, like not just I have the need to, you know, the day, like especially like, you know, like opportunity or chances that I could do not. Kaya yung pera, tinatanong ko ano ko kaya yung pera. Makakain lang ako tapos na. Oh my god, makaligo. Yeah, what am I going to do with the money? Actually, I don't need money. Yeah, what do I do with the money? Nakakahiya. I don't need money because I'm gonna work. That's a big money. What am I going to do with that? Yeah. So, yeah. Hindi ko naman talaga kailangan pa magtrabaho ngayon. Like, you need you guys to be there. Why you guys pushing me to it? Oh my God. Na-stress ako ngayon guys. Aga pa. Buti nga kinaya ko nang wala ng kain-kain. Tapos nakakapagsalita na ako. As in, I think 4 hours ata yun. Okay, yung ginawa ko. Strong. It's how to take. It's helped me. Like, yeah. Lang ko nga. Ay, alas stress na pala. Uwi na ako. Stress na.